Gonna say hi?
Hi.
Today we're reading Splat the Cat. Where's the Easter Bunny? Since it's almost Easter.
There?
Splat can't believe it. It is almost Easter and he still hasn't told the Easter Bunny what he wants most.
Oh my God.
Skylar, no. Sorry. We have to find the Easter Bunny, Splat tells Seymour. Dear Easter Bunny, this is what I want for Easter. A really big Easter egg, please.
A really big Easter egg.
Oh, I didn't know this was a flat book. But where's the Easter Bunny? Do you know? Is he hiding behind Splat's toy car? Nope, it's just a hedgehog having a picnic. Maybe he's playing in Splat's den. Nope, nothing here but a bunch of funny ducks. Look at this cool book.
Oh my God.
Where is the Easter Bunny? Do you know? Could he be driving that truck? Nope, a bunny driving a truck would just be silly. Or is that him reading the newspaper? Nope, he's definitely not a bunny.
What about, oh, that didn't open.
Where's the Easter Bunny? Do you know? Is he hiding behind that sign? Nope, that's Splat's teacher, Mrs. Wimple Dimple. Is he painting Easter eggs? Nope, it's Splat's friend's kitten. Boop. Where is the Easter Bunny? Do you know? Is he hiding under this umbrella? Nope, it's Splat's friend Spike. Okay, is he hiding under that umbrella? Nope, it's Kitten, and she hasn't seen the Easter Bunny. Oh my goodness, where is the Easter Bunny? Not behind this one, and not behind that one.
I wonder if my counters.
Where's the Easter Bunny? Do you know? Could he be in the mailbox?
No, you wouldn't.
Nope, but there is a surprise present for us. I wonder what it is. Now it's late and time for Splat to get ready for bed. Maybe the Easter Bunny's in the bathroom. Nope, that's just Splat's little sister.
Why saw bunny ears sitting down in the bathtub?
Here's the present. There's the sister. No, you didn't. That was a duck. Splat wakes up on Easter morning. Did the Easter Bunny forget him? Nope. I've got a really big Easter egg, says Splat. How did the Easter Bunny know? One more to open. Happy Easter. Look how big that bunny is. Look at his huge Easter egg. Whoa. Happy Easter. Thanks for reading with us, guys. We haven't been on for a few days because we've been busy hiking, exploring, playing, painting. Want to say bye?
Bye.
More videos coming soon.